Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, I teach you heating effect of electric current in electricity. So, today our topic is heating effect of electric current, or say to another name is Joule's heating effect. It is the given of James Precott's Joules. It is given of that heating effect of electric current. The scientist name is Jules Prescott Joule in given 1841. That is the given the formula of H is equal to I square RT, means heating effect. In now the topic is heating effect. When electricity or flow in wire, what happen? Then flow the electric current in any wire. When the electric current flow through the wire depends of many things. In previous classes also discussed the resistance. In the resistance are also depend on the resistivity, length of wire, cross section area, and also are related to, that is the resistance, also are related to the heating effect. What is resistance? That is the resistance is the opposite of electric current, that is say to the resistance. So now in heating effect, Precott's Joules in 1841 say to the when electric current is passes through the any wire, the electron flow in that wire. When more electron flow in of that wire, so that is the movement is more, so that is the effect of producing of heat. So in that wire more electron are flow, that is the means say to more electricity are passes through in the wire, so say to the more heat are produces in that wire, so reason is say to the electron, so that wire passes through, that is the wire, so that wire that is the passes through the electron, more electron move in the wire, so that is the more heat is produced, so that is Joule's law. Say to H is proportional to I square, and H is proportional to R, and H is proportional to T, and that is the H is equal to I square RT, means that is the depend on the current, resistance and temperature. If the wire is the length is increases, its cross sectional area, that is the cross sectional area, that is a cross sectional area, if the wire thickness is more thick, so that is more resistive, means more heat are sustain of that wire, because heating effect is more, so that is sustain of more. If the thin wire taken, that is the susceptibility is less, because the heat and then that wire is easily melt, because that wire is sustain of that heat is less, so that is say to the less resist, and that is melted. So if you are more appliances are used in your homes, so needs of different types of wire are requirements, so that wire in passes through the electric current, heat is produces, so that effect is known in deeply, that is the scientist name is Joule's heating effect. So if the bulb are glow in your room, so that is the heat are produces. Your room is heated, electric iron is used, so resistance are inside of that iron, so that is produces of heat. Means heat is produces, that is the region of resistance, means that is the obstacle, means obstruct of flow of that current, opposite of that current, that is say to resistance. And electric heater are also used, so that heating effect are known, that is the Joule's heating effect. That is the depends on the electron, depends on the wire, that is the depends on the his length and depend on his temperature of that current is passes through and uses through of that current, so that is produced of heat, so that heat is form of energy and it is calculated through the work done. Work is also form of energy, both are the same unit, so that is combined together and find through the power. I discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.